Alright, tonight's demo will be a deck hook, or a rail hook, one of my best-selling items. It's used to hang a basket, bird feeder on a deck railing, or anything from 2x4, 2x6 thickness, inch 3/4. You can come down off the sill. It's made out 3/8 square, which is fairly quick and easy to work and hammer, so it keeps the cost down, like $10 per hook. All it does, this is the end product here. Slips over, 2x4, 2x6 deck railing, and hang, small dogs and cats, baskets, whatever from it. We'll incorporate 4 basic techniques here for blacksmithing. Once you're confident in these can build skills you can build on. One is the draw and hammer, or tapering, taking the stock and reducing it to a point. The second will be rounding or working the diamond, making a square piece circular or octagon. Third will be the rat-tail scroll, or curling it. And the fourth will be the decorative twist in the stock itself. Check out work at a yellow to bright white heat. First thing is drawing or hammering technique. Take it down to a point at the end by working the end, rotating it 90 degrees on every hammer strike until I have it drawn down to the diameter, thickness, and taper of 1. I usually work in thirds. Try to draw it out, taper to 1/3 the thickness, 3 times the thickness of the stock. See the draw and taper. Next is working the diamond. This still may not look red, but it's kind of 900 to 800 degrees yet. What I'm doing is try to keep edges of the square. Now, if this were a piece of round stock, to draw it out and taper it, you have to square the ends, but it's square to start with, so, and I'm just rounding the end of it for decoration. When you have multi-edges, it kind of adds to the appearance of the material when it curls or scrolls. Next is the scroll. Rat tail. You never strike metal on the anvil. You just curl it over the edge, increasing the distance when you strike there. Then we come back, start to tighten this little scroll. Straighten out a little bit. That's not too bad there. Now that's where we hang the basket. Next, take the original one so we can scroll that. Do it again for you here. In case one isn't enough. Now I do all these by hand, not using a jig except for the end here, just to get the consistency of the tolerances. Because people do like it to fit on the decks. Okay, next will be the twist. Now metal will twist or bend at the weakest point or the hottest point. And I tend to like, one of the mistakes you make is trying to twist things too quick. You just go a little bit slower than maybe some people try. Give the metal a chance to stretch. That came out fairly straight. these at a time, and you know, I am a walking metaphor. I have had too many irons in the fire at once. Since I started using a gas forge, it doesn't happen too often. So what we're going to do a daring double twist here. Once. Twice. There's some lucky person who got a fancier one. Check the line of that. Darn. Started thinking good. Same thing is not to try twisting too quick because it will twist really tight at the weak spots. You can do things like hold the middle, water gun or something. You get a more consistent twist, and that really matters. We have fairly loose tolerances for these. It's just, you know, gives a pleasant feeling appearance. That's a little bit to the side. Not working. All right, thank you. Now, nope. Thank you for your time.